guys, welcome back. I'm gonna just put out some more decorations on the tree. I got these from Ikea. They're they call them winter mint. I think this is their Christmas line. And these are the colors. You can see kind of the green and red is what I decided to do this time around. I do have excuse me, some decorations. Just using my new anthropology mug. I have a latte in here. But yeah, I saw these at Ikea and they were like $3.99 for 32. So I thought I'd add some additional decorations to the tree. I just have these little hooks there from the dollar store. These ones are white. You can get them green and other colors. I think other places sell like gold and silver. But yeah, so I'm just gonna spend the next little while decorating with the different balls that came in this box, and they are a few different sizes, so just so you can see. And there's the green. I think this is just going to finish off the tree. That's kind of in the way. All of this. If there's any kind of method, you just... Oh, look, they did come with hooks. They came with clear hooks, but that's okay. I'm not going to use them. Yeah, if you are needing some additional decorations, here's the red. Ikea has some of their items on a markdown, which is really great because it can help you fill out your tree. So just taking everything out. There's two sizes for the red. I don't know if you can see the difference. So it's gonna take me a while, but at least the tree is going to get nicely filled out. Maybe another silver. Go. Yeah, that's really good. Like, so many places sell decorations and they do not sell. They do not include, the hooks. So that's great. Ikea thinks and everything. One of my favorite places to get home decor. Like, obviously I've gotten things from elsewhere, but they have nice things for your home, and they're inexpensive. So again, this box of 32 was $3.99. Can't remember the original price, but it was a lot more than that. So, they do have other colors too, like other box sets. If you're doing like a gold or, I don't know, white, you can just check them out to see what they have. For me, I inadvertently started with red and green, so may as well just continue on that theme. Just put some of these lighter green ones. I think you have to have some sort of theme when you're decorating the tree. Otherwise it's just, well, I mean, some of the decorations are special decorations, like this is actually a gift. There's a gift in here. But overall, I think you do need some sort of theme. But I mean, it's up to you. Decorate however you want. Usually I bought the box sets from, is it like Canadian Tire or Walmart. They have 90, and I tried using those for a few years, but then this year, well, when I moved, I didn't bring those decorations with me or the tree, so kind of starting over. Now it's just a matter of filling up, and this is something you have to really stand back, look. You know, I'm probably still gonna tweak it a bit. So, let's see. These little flowers too, they're from Ikea. Here somewhere. I'm gonna go back and get some wrapping paper. Also, their wrapping paper is really nice, and it's reasonably priced right now. So here we have another green. And I just need to look on this side to see where else I can put this. I think that's gonna go right here. And a bunch of red ones. Oh, and they have the, I don't know what they call this, more of a matte colored red. Still got quite a few. Sorry about the noise, that's the dishwasher. Another green one. Probably should have put a red one there. I'll move them around after I put all these other ones on the tree. But yeah, it looks so much better. So much fuller than what it was. Just gonna move. The tree takes up quite a bit of space. Last few years I had a skinny tree, but this year we decided on just getting a regular tree. This one is 6.5 feet pre-lit, and this is from Walmart, and I think it was $60. Just keep this to be creative and find places for all this equipment. So I just have about 6 left. I think those are gonna go on this side here, where there's not that many decorations. See, people are really becoming creative with their trees. But I think that is going to be quite frustrating at the end to, you know, take off all the decorations. But I guess I can't think like that. In the moment, the tree's gonna look really beautiful. So, just finishing up. I have like the last 3 bulbs. Here needs some red. But yeah, if you guys can get to Ikea, very reasonably priced ornaments, and you can just get the ones that for whatever color theme you're going for. Plus they also have like some decorative ones like this, these little flowers that these clip on. So that's it for the tree. I'm just gonna step back and sort of show you what the entire tree looks like. That's a star. That's also from Ikea from a few years ago. So that's the completed tree. Sorry, I didn't pick up the Ikea star when I was shooting the tree, but this is the Ikea star in gold. I think there was silver, but again, this may be from last year or the year before. They have some other ones now. So anyhow, guys, I'm just gonna wrap this up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.